So this is about the YAM YL-028. It's basically a remote controlled 2 relay device. It says 2 road independence control on it. I'm not sure what that means, but it was inexpensive, about $8 from Amazon. And there's a good YouTube video that's probably got 150,000 views that reverse engineered it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just talk about how to wire it up and how to make it work. One other thing I wanted to mention is looks like it's rated for 1,000 watts. Divide that by 120, you've got about 8 amps per relay, so not bad. So here's a remote control, and there's no instructions for inserting the battery in the back, but the negative end goes against the spring, and you need one of these 12-volt batteries. They're Duracell 21 or 23, and they're 12 volt, pretty easy to get. So because there's no instructions and the wire colors are pretty odd, I decided to pull a case off. You can see there's 4 tabs. There's a couple here, a couple there. So if you take this lid and you just pull it apart, you can easily get the circuit board out and see what wire goes where. Okay, how to wire this up. It's not really obvious looking at the case. They talk about certain colors of wires which are different than the case says. So I've got the input power cord, 120 volts coming in. There's no ground. And the hot is black in the United States. The neutral is white, so you get black and white. On the YAM, the hot wire, the input wire, is red. So I've attached black to red, and red basically that combined with the neutral powers everything. It converts down to DC, so you can run the receiver board and the relay control. The hot wire also is gated to one or both of the relays. Relay 1 comes out hot on the blue, relay 2 comes out hot on the white. So the 2 black wires are tied together and they are neutral. So the first black wire I've just dedicated to the neutral of my line cord. The second is dedicated to the 2 neutrals of these lights, the white neutrals. And the hot side of the lights comes off of the first relay, which is blue, or the second relay, which is white, going to the black wires of the lights. Okay, the remote control. The number 1 light is the one coming off the blue wire, and if you hit the number 1 button, you can just turn that on and off. Hit the number 2 button for the second light coming off the white wire. There's on, off. If you want to turn both lights on, just hit the green on button. Turn them off, just hit the red off button. There's a sleep button, which I don't think does anything. That's it.